gearing up to host the much-anticipated 14th China International Aviation and Space Exhibition, also known as the China Air Show or Zhuhai Air Show, which will run from November 8 to November 13. After training, 2 J-20 fighters landed on the runway. This is the first time the Chinese Air Force's J-20 stealth fighter has been shown on the ground. Furthermore, the entire Rainbow UAV family will be showcased at this event, showcasing advances in technology and applications. Preparations for the event were already underway, with hundreds of companies from various countries starting to gather in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province, South China. The air show will feature a variety of military equipment, but aviation enthusiasts are most pleased to see China's J-20 stealth aircraft, which is already starting to steal the show. Although there are still a few more days before the event starts, pictures and videos of the J-20 have already started circulating online. In preparation for Air Show China 2022, 4 J-20 fighters completed formation flight training on November 5 in Zhuhai. The J-20 fighter can be seen powered by the domestically developed WS-10C engine. Nonetheless, 2 J-20A aircraft left Zhuhai after a brief stop. 2 J-20 seen close to 2 J-16. While many aviation enthusiasts anticipate this year's J-20 static exhibition, others are looking for a closer glimpse into the J-20 cockpit during the air show. This year, the China Air Show in Zhuhai will be bigger than ever and feature many new models and equipment for the general public to see. Compared to previous air shows, the upcoming event is anticipated to feature more aerobatic flying and static shows. The event includes trade discussions, actual products, and flying displays. It has been operating effectively since 1996 and is held biennially in Zhuhai, Guangdong, China. This year marks the 73rd anniversary of the founding of the PLA Air Force. We will present our new equipment and demonstrate our progress in long-range strategic projectiles, airstrikes and unmanned combat. The air show will feature some of the most advanced equipment in the world, including military drones, missiles, flight engines, and even spacecraft. PLA operational helicopters will fly at the air show for the first time, and more than 20 types of ground equipment will be used to support the show.